Yeah, there's up those pumps.
Okay.
Put it in.
I'll have to go get it.
I mean, if you want to come bring it back at a different time, it's fine.
Well, I figure
Get it, come back, that's
if I were to order it, I wouldn't necessarily be coming back tomorrow.
fine. Yeah.
So if I were to go get it, I would come back today. You know what I mean? Okay.
Whatever you want to do.
Yeah, I'll do that. More warranty videos?
We're trying to sell this one. It doesn't fit our work, really. It takes longer to run it in here than it does the other process. Now we have to try to get that.
Yeah, otherwise everything checks out. And I'm kind of wondering if that'll correct why that auxiliary coolant filter goes half empty. Because that should just stay full. And I noticed that machine is half empty too over there. We'll have to find out, but
Even that one.
the Haas one there, that one empties out too?
Yeah, it's never full like what you had shared with me.
That's weird. Well, I'll get that pump and we'll...
Brand new on a video.
For what?
Try to sell it.
Huh?
Try
Oh,
to sell it.
Flash Project Client.